Hi guys, it's Mrs. Warner. We're going to do lesson 4 of chapter 9, which is cross sections of 3D figures. Okay, let's get started. This is kind of a confusing topic, so if you're still not sure, you might also want to watch the other video that I attached in your classroom for you. Okay, so here's what we've got. We have, first of all, what is a cross section? And that is just a slice of a 3D figure with a plane. So if you look at down below here, these 3D figures have been sliced with a single plane that's gone through them. So fun fact, they can either be taken parallel, perpendicular, or you can take them diagonal to the image. Okay, so the slice can be either taken parallel, perpendicular, or diagonal to its bases. So here are some examples of cross sections. If you sliced an apple, you could see the inside of it. Or a non-example is you cannot cut or slice a 2D figure. So it has to be something that's three-dimensional in order to take a slice from it, which makes sense. So it says, determine the shape resulting from each slice of the rectangular prism below. So there's a rectangular prism, and this one is taken along the horizontal. And the resulting image would be this shape here, which would probably be a rectangle. So it's like the image of the shape where the slice was taken out. This guy here is going to look like this probably. So that's some sort of parallelogram. But this guy over here, because they have all four sides marked equal, when that slice is taken or cross section is taken, it's going to make a square. Okay, so that's our basics on what cross sections are. If you actually turn to the back of the note sheet, I attached a whole section here of where you can see if you're taking different slices at different angles, what would actually happen there. And I did some with cones and triangles and cylinders and pyramids and things back there. So you can use that as a reference when you're doing your examples for your homework. Now, sometimes you can take an actual cross section and you can rotate that around a line. So you have to think 3D. This is not just a flat rectangle laying there, but if you were to take that rectangle and rotate it around this cross section, then that's probably going to make like a cylinder as a result. If you were to take this cross section, this triangular cross section, and rotate it around, it's going to make not a cylinder, but this time we're going to get a cone. And if I were to take this fungi and rotate it around, I would end up with a cylinder and a cone on top. So it's going to be a combination of the two things. Okay, again, this section here on our notes is just some basic examples for you guys. And this front part down here is use the rotational cross section to sketch the solid. So if this were to rotate around, you'd get another shape on this other side over here. And you're basically just drawing like the mirror image. Oh God, this is hard to do with my stylus. I'm trying. Of the shape that was there. So like if I had this guy, it's kind of like a hourglass type shape. This guy here is going to have like a little donut on the inside of it actually, and it'll have this V on the other side here. So it'd be like that. Just kind of fun doing some sketching. And again, watch the additional video that's attached with this. All right, have fun on your homework. Bye. Bye now.